Now that your room is set up, it's time to learn the actual language of music. If you want to be an expert mixer, you have to stop hearing the sounds and start hearing the frequencies. This is the episode 2 from the Florin Masterclass Blueprint. Every sound you hear is just air vibrating into different speeds. In mixing, we divide those vibrations into 3 main neighborhoods: the lows, the mids, and the highs. To train your ears, you need to know exactly which instruments live in which part of the neighborhood. So let's talk about the low end. They are mainly the kick or the bass or the 808, whatever you say. This is the foundation of the track. When listening, focus on the thump of the kick drum and the body of the bass guitar. The mid-range are mostly about the vocals, the guitars, or the other parts like piano or whatever. The mid-range is mostly for vocals, for guitars, and other type of instruments. This is the most crowded part of the mix. Most instruments, and especially the human voice, live there. Pay special attention to 1.5 to 2.5 kHz range. This is where many speakers struggle to stay clear, and is the most important details for vocals or instruments. And the third part of the neighborhood are the high frequencies, so the high end, which we other call it as air. This provides the shimmer and the clarity. So focus on those frequencies and be more careful there. We use that also for vocals to give that more airy type of vocal to be more detailed, more clear. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners do is that they mix in high volume. The ears actually change how they hear specific frequencies, depends on the volume that you're hearing. So when you listen on very high volumes, your ears naturally boost the low and the high end. If you mix from the beginning with the loud volumes, your song probably gonna sound thin when you listen to normal volume. And the pro secret is that most top mixers do their final balance at conversation level, around 79 dB SPL, or even lower. If a mix sounds balanced and powerful while it's quiet, it will sound incredible when you turn it up. If you're mixing on headphones for this series, remember that you are not hearing the real low end. On headphones, you're mostly gonna hear the click or attack of a kick drum rather than its deep vibrating resonance. You're often gonna hear the harmonics of a bass rather than deep sub-bass. And how to fix this problem? Frequently check your mix on different speakers or even in your car to see how the low end is actually behaving. There are also some tools that might help you. I personally use that, is that I use Sound ID reference, and you can calibrate your headphones there so you can hear more true, more natural and more neutral frequency response, even in your speakers, monitors, even on your headphones. And the last problem is the ear fatigue. This is the silent killer. Mixing is hard work for your brain. High volume levels lead to ear fatigue, which normally gonna blur your judgment. If you're mixing on headphones, consider giving yourself every 30 minutes a break. And this is the homework for you. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your favorite song, convert it, put it on your DAW, and put an EQ on it. Just like this one right here, the Pro Q from FabFilter. So from there, you're gonna listen to the song in normal volume, not very high, so try to keep it lower a little bit, and play the full song 3 times in a row. So play it 1 time, give yourself a break for around 2 minutes, play again and again. What you're gonna do there, you're gonna focus first on the kick and the bass and see in which frequencies are they staying in the most, where are they present. The same for the mid-range. Take a listen where the piano is staying, where the guitar is staying, where is the vocal present. If you aren't sure how to make the homework, then I made a video about it, how to exactly do that on my official website that is on the bottom of this video, or it's on the first link in the description.